Hey guys, Moisan here and welcome back again to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's video, pag-uusapan natin kung paano paputiin yung mga batok, siko, singit, kilikili, skin folds, all those things. Anyways guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, before I start, I just want to share with you, binilhan ako ng kapatid ko ng tada! So this is Kung Fu Tea Bubble Tea since 2009. Popular siya dito sa Toronto. I really love it. Ang init ng panahon ngayon guys, it is like almost 30 degrees. Magsa-summer na. It is May, spring pa rin. Pero guys, let me tell you, sobrang init. Kaya guys, don't forget to wear your sunscreen, your lip balm na may SPF. Okay guys, so we're gonna talk about acanthosis nigricans. Okay, ang acanthosis nigricans, that is a skin condition that causes your skin to darken, lalo na dito sa back of your neck, dito sa elbow, sa singit, sa may kilikili at doon sa skin folds. So ano nga ba ang cause nito or ano nga ba ang sanhi nito? Maraming causes nito guys or maraming things na nagko-contribute dito, and unang-una na doon guys is kung meron kang medical conditions na kagaya ng insulin resistance. So kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng mataas na insulin is because tumataas ang ating blood sugar. So basically, ang insulin resistance is para siyang pre-diabetes na yun or possible ka na magkaroon ng diabetes. Kapag mataas ang insulin level mo guys, ang nangyayari sa ating balat is nangingitim yung mga batok natin, siko, singit, kilikili, at isa pa guys is kung overweight ka, okay? Kung overweight ka, marami kang skin folds, okay? Yung parang lawlaw na balat. At yung mga lawlaw na balat na yun guys, underneath that, makikita mo nangingitim siya. At hindi lang to yung parang simpleng pangingitim, okay? Kung titingnan mo ng mabuti is an accumulation of dead skin cells din na makikita mo bitak-bitak siya, okay? That's actually one of the most common causes, obesity and insulin resistance, okay? Kaya guys, yung ibang mga pasyente na nakikita ko na medyo nangingitim ang batok, lalo na kung bata pa sila, I always tell them to get their blood sugar check kasi pag minsan, this actually is a pre-diabetic conditions, papunta sila sa diabetes. So kailangan masolusyonan kaagad ng maayos, kailangan ma-check up kaagad ni doctor, at kailangan mabigyan kaagad ng proper advice. Ano nga ba ang pwede nating magawa to help lighten these areas? Aside from the skincare and skincare products, syempre napaka-importante na maunawaan na muna natin ang medical conditions. Kasi kung hindi mo maayos ang medical conditions mo, things will get worse, okay? So walang kwenta mga skincare products kung hindi tayo nagtitake ng gamot, kung hindi tayo nagda-diet, kung hindi tayo healthy living, or hindi natin minamanage ng maayos ang stress natin. So guys, don't be deceived or wag kayong magpaloko doon, or don't get misled by those advertisements na, oh, these products will help cure this, and this, and this, and that. Okay, napaka-importante to understand the root causes. Napaka-importante guys na to seek medical help para matulungan kayo to understand your medical conditions much more clearly, okay? So now, wait lang. Sarap. Ano nga ba ang mga skincare products na pwede natin magamit para mag-improve ang appearance ng ating mga batok, siko, singit? Marami. But you have to make sure that you look for ingredients that will help exfoliate the skin and will help to lighten those areas. So make sure that you choose a product na recommended also by your dermatologist. Huwag kayong basta-basta bibili sa over-the-counter, lalo na sa Philippines na maraming mga products over-the-counter na wala namang, hindi naman siya FDA approved, okay? So unahin na natin ang cleansers or body wash. When it comes to body wash guys, use cleansers na merong salicylic acid kagaya ng Neutrogena Acne Body Wash na ginagamit ko ngayon. So nilalagay ko lang siya dun sa lufa, pino-foam up ko siya ganun, tapos ini-scrub ko siya sa katawan ko. Then after that, of course, I use a very good moisturizer. And when it comes to moisturizer, I do recommend products from Aveeno, CeraVe, Cetaphil, okay, Amlactin. So those products guys, they do have strong exfoliant ingredients that will help exfoliate those areas, okay? At bibigyan ko kayo guys ng recommendations kung ano nga ba yung klase ng products na maganda. And guys, let me just tell you, I am not sponsored by these products, okay? So unang-una na guys is yung isa sa pinaka-paborito ko is this one over here. So ito yung CeraVe SA Cream. I really love this. This is perfect. Pakita ko sa inyo yung itsura niya. Wala siyang amoy, so very thick, kita nyo? So this one has salicylic acid and also niacinamide, and I think meron din siyang siyang lactic acid and ceramides, which is good for moisturizing. So, ilalagay mo lang siya sa mga areas kung saan ka mayroon problema sa batok, sa siko, sa singit. Pero hindi siya irritating. Perfect kung meron kang eczema or psoriasis at keratosis pilaris. So, keratosis pilaris, guys, yun yung parang butol-butol dito na may itim. There's no cure for that. Hindi mo yun matatanggal. However, you can improve the appearance just by using products na may exfoliant na kagaya nito. For sure, meron ito sa Philippines kasi last time na umuwi ako nakita ko, I think it's more than 1,000 pesos. However, it is worth it. You guys can also check for other Filipino products in there na much more affordable. I am not familiar with some of the products sa Philippines. I don't live there, okay? Kung meron ito sa Watsons or SM at may budget ka, go for it. Second is, guys, this is the new one that I am currently using. Love this. This is from Aveeno. This is Aveeno Cone and Texture. Love, love, love this. It has oat, niacinamide, and PHA. So, oat, very soothing on the skin. Perfect kung meron kang eczema, allergies. Niacinamide, brightening for redness, inflammation. Love it. And PHA stands for polyhydroxy acid. Very good exfoliant kung meron kang sensitive skin. Kasi yung ibang sensitive ang skin nila, guys, hindi sila makagamit ng much more stronger acid. So, they turn to polyhydroxy acid. So, guys, ito yung itsura nyo. Yan. So, I would say na yung CeraVe is much more thicker compared dito. It is fragrance-free. However, medyo maasim ang amoy niya. Okay, I don't mind. It works good. So, lagyan natin dito sa may siko. O, diba? Malambot siya sa balat, guys. At nilalagay ko lang itong mga to at night. And I don't use them at once, okay? Pag minsan, ina-alternate ko sila. Sobrang lambot sa balat, guys. And perfect talaga para makapagpakinis ng balat. And this one is actually new from Aveeno. Check Shopee or Lazada or kung saan mang merong available nito sa Philippines. SNR. Ang tawag na SNR? SNR ba? Another one is a body lotion na ginagamit ko during the day. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Meron din siyang polyhydroxy acid, niacinamide, and oat. Love it. It's much more thicker, okay, compared sa yung nasa jar. So, these products, guys, are dermatologist recommended. I only use products na hindi talaga malakas ang amoy kasi at times those skincare products na merong fragrance, it can cause reaction sa katawan, especially kung meron kang skin condition, psoriasis, eczema. And lastly, guys, if you're looking for something na medyo matapang but will definitely clear out those thickened dead skin cells, is I would go for Amlactin Daily. This one, guys, is sinasabi ko sa inyo, I only use this once every 2 weeks kasi, guys, like kung aaraw-arawin ko siya, may irritate yung balat ko. So this is perfect dun sa, alam mo yung sa may paa mo, sa may sakong ng paa mo, sa siko mo, kung sobrang itim ng siko mo, guys, this one like top notch talaga. Amlactin, 12% lactic acid. This is 225 grams, paraben free, and it helps with skin exfoliation, leaves dry skin soft and smooth, deeply moisturizes, non-greasy. This is also an American brand. I ordered this from Amazon. Dalawa yung binili ko, binigay ko yung isa kay mama, and she loves it so much. So marami silang iba't ibang klase nito. Check in Amazon, Lazada. I don't know where to buy this in the Philippines, but if you're living here in Canada, Amazon, and siguro sa Costco, these are products that contains acid, so make sure that you use your sunscreen daily, okay? Because skincare products that contains exfoliants can make our skin sensitive to the sun, so make sure that you use a very good sunscreen, okay, with at least SPF 50 and above. Anyways, guys, so that's it for today. Napagod ako dun na. Teka lang. So guys, that's it for today for Acanthosis nigricans. And I hope that you guys learned something and enjoyed this video. Kung meron pa kayong questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section down below. You guys can also follow me in my Instagram, Facebook page, and TikTok, as I am pretty active on those platforms also. And guys, lagi niyong tatandaan, please huwag kayong mag-self-diagnose. Always seek medical help for proper treatments and diagnosis. Anyways, guys, makita-kita ulit tayo on my next videos. Bye-bye!